Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will explore about one of the most important command, yeah, we can say one of the most powerful command in Linux called sudo. Sudo means super user. Sudo command allows a permitted user to execute a command as the super user or another user, as specified by the security policy. To run a command with elevated privileges, we had to simply prefix it with sudo. For example, if I want to add a user in Linux system by using add user command, then I have to prefix sudo before this command. So let's do. If I will use add user command to add a user u1, then it will not allow to create a user. It is saying only root may add a user or group to the system. So I need root privilege to create a user to the system. So to get the root privilege, I will use the command sudo add user u1. Now it is asking for password. Now it is asking to assign a password to user u1. I will assign the password to user u1. Now it is asking password updated successfully. Changing the user information for u1, enter the new value or press enter for the default. I want to press enter for default. You can specifically here enter every details about the user u1, but I want to just enter. Now user u1 has been added to the system. So you can see by using sudo command, I was able to add a user inside the Linux system. Now I want to delete user. Suppose I want to use del user u1. Again, it is not allowing. It is saying only root user can delete the user from system. Yeah, remove a user or group from the system. So what I will do, again, I will use sudo command. Sudo del user u1. Now it has been removed. User u1 has been removed from the system. Now, suppose I want to add a user to the pseudo group to grant ability to use sudo for administrative tasks. Suppose I want to add a user to the pseudo group. So what is the benefit of adding user to the pseudo group? It will help, it will, let us see how to add user to the pseudo group. This grant them the ability to use sudo for administrative tasks. If any user is belongs to pseudo group, then that user will be able to use administrative rights. For example, suppose again I am adding a user u1. Now I want to add this group, this user u1 to pseudo group. So for that, I will use command sudo user mod minus hyphen a, capital G, sudo u1. Now user u1 is the member of sudo group. if I want to see groups U1, so you can see user U1 is the member of U1 itself, sudo and users. Now I want to see ID of user U1. So it shows all ID related to user U1. Next, suppose I want to switch to user U1. So for that I will use command su hyphen minus user, su hyphen u1. I will use command su space hyphen space u1. Now it is asking for password. I will enter the password. Now I have a switch from user Kali to user u1. Now I want to see who am I. It is saying u1, user u1. Now I want to see what is the present working directory. So now I am in the my present working directory /on/u1. Now I want to create another user by using using the access rights of user u1. So let's see if I am able to use sudo add user u2. U1 new password u2 done. So you can see because user u1 was added with the pseudo group, the user u1 was able to create another user. But suppose I want to switch to user u2. Su su space hyphen u2. Now I will assign password for u2. Now I want to see what is who am I? Who am I? U2. What is the present working directory of U2? This is /1/U2. Now, see, I did not add the user U2 a member of group sudo. I did not. In first step, I have shown you how to add a user in a group, in a pseudo group especially. I show you how to add a user to a pseudo group. Here, user U2 is not a member of pseudo group. Now, if user U2 will try to add a user in the Linux system, it will use the command add user U3, for example. So it is saying only root name. If user U2 using sudo command, sudo add user U3, it is asking for password. Let's assign the password. It is saying U2 is not in the sudoer file. But we did not get this error for U1. Why? Because U1 is the member of pseudo group. So that's why if I will make user U2 the member of pseudo group, then he will be able. Like again, I want to go to su minus suppose U1 for example. U1. Now I will use command sudo user mode mine hyphen a capital G sudo username u2. I'm using this command to make user u2 member of group sudo. Now if I will switch su hyphen u2, now I will enter password of u2. Now if user u2 will try sudo add sudo and user u3. It is asking for password. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel to see more videos related to Linux for Hacker series. Thank you.